Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This video is going to be a weekend in my life. So a lot of things are happening this weekend, such as getting my second dose of the Pfizer vaccine, which I'm kind of nervous about, but it is all good. I'm going to be fully vaccinated and that is all that matters. I just realized that I'm still wearing my blue light glasses. I just finished work and I can't get enough of these blue light glasses. I never thought that this day would come that I would be wearing blue light glasses. So I have been wearing these blue light glasses for a bit over a month now and I am in love with them. They are a godsend. Didn't know I needed them before until I started wearing them, and I have not gotten one headache since I started wearing these blue light glasses, and I'm in front of the screen every single day for about 6 to 8 hours. So thank you, Lord. Thank you, Tijn, for these glasses. I really love the look of these glasses and how minimal they are. So if you guys are interested in these blue light glasses, I will link them in the description. I also did get another pair of glasses from Tijn as well. Now, they aren't blue light glasses and they're not even prescription lens. They are honestly just cute. And I wanted to pick them up just for fun because I'm that type of person who wears fake glasses just for the heck of it, for fashion, for style, whatever you want to call it. I just wear them anyways. I do have a pair of prescription glasses, but honestly, I don't even know where they are. I think I lost them. But it's all good. I feel like I don't really need them anyways. So if you guys are interested in Tijn, I will link their website in the description. They have a whole bunch of frames, but what I really like about Tijn is that you can switch up the lenses. So if you do want blue light lenses, they have that option. They have the option of fake lenses, so lenses that are just really, like, there's really no prescription to it. And they also have prescription lenses. So if you do need prescription lenses, then you can put in that information and they can just pop those into the frame and you're just good to go. So definitely check out Tijn, and again, I will have their website in the description. Okay, so the juice of the day. Oh my goodness, I am getting my vaccine today and I am kind of nervous because a friend of mine just texted me and she got her second dose, I think like 2 days ago, and things are just going downhill for her. Now, what I mean by downhill is that she has a swollen lip and it looked like, you know, a side of her face was kind of like drooping a little bit from the swelling. She's also got a swollen eye. Her hands are swollen. She told me that she's having hives on her body, and I'm like, oh my goodness, that might happen to me because I have like allergy reactions to like almost everything. So I'm a little scared. I don't know, like I keep hearing that some people are fine, but then there's also those people who, like, you know, have fevers and swollen body parts, and I'm like, okay, like I really don't know how this is gonna go. So I am kind of nervous. A friend of mine did tell me that I should probably avoid taking so many supplements and vitamins before or after my vaccine, just because it might counteract with the vaccine and my body's trying to fight it off or whatever it is. So I've really only taken my multivitamins, and so I just have a container of peppers. I just downed a whole bunch of spinach. So I don't know, I'm just trying to get in all my vitamins from like vegetables and stuff, and honestly I don't mind because I love my vegetables. It's never really a problem. Like, I know some people don't like salads, but I can legit just eat lettuce on its own like it's chips. And my boyfriend is kind of weirded out by that. I'm really nervous about it, and it's like in a few hours, so my anxiety is a little up right now.
Oh my god.
2 drinks. Oh, and strong.
Strong, also.
And strong. Wow.
Second dose, vaccine. Nothing bad. More than strong.